Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm working on this 14 by 14 canvas, and I am doing an experiment. So my first color that I'm going to use is a homemade mixture. I was going to use this Indandrian blue from Liquitex, and it was just kind of off with my other two colors. So I added a little bit of this Liquitex Dioxine Purple, and I really like this color now. And I also have this Deco Art Dazzling Metallic Berry. The color in the cup does not look the same in real life as it does on camera here, so it's more closer to the label of the bottle of paint. And this blue also, it's not blue, it is more of a metallic, just a light teal or light turquoise, and that is Peacock Pearl. It is also the Deco Art Dazzling Metallic. And then I have, of course, the Artist Loft Acrylic White that I will be using. And all of these have Floetrol in them. And the white has a little bit of water. I did not put water in any of the metallics. I want them to be a little bit heavy because my experiment is I want to see what the effect will be if I add this metallic silver spray paint in with my acrylics. And I don't want the acrylics to be so thin that the spray paint sinks beneath them. And I'm going to put the spray paint in my cup. I'm going to spray it directly in there. And I'm going to do a dirty pour. So we'll get started here. But let me give you a little bit of disclaimer. Don't freak out if you see this bandage on my arm while I'm doing this. Apparently I am clumsy, and so I have a nice little scratch arm. It's healing well, but I don't want to get any paint or chemicals in it, so I'm going to keep it bandaged. And I'm apparently also messy when I paint, so just protecting it is all. It's no big deal. Just want to let y'all know. So let's get started. And I'm taking my spray paint and I'm putting it directly in the cup, and I'm just going to add all these other colors. I wanted to see really if the paints were going to sink, or if the metallic spray paint was going to sink. And it looks like it's going to stay on top for the most part, so I'm kind of happy about that. I thought about doing a flip cup, but I went ahead and went with the dirty pour. And all my silver was kind of going to one side, so I my canvas around to try to mingle it around. And then I added the Flow Acrylic White around the edges to help the other paints flow. And it started out really nice, but then that peacock blue just kind of took over the center of the painting, and apparently it must be heavier than the others because it all sunk. Even though I did 2 layers, apparently all went to the center and came out last. So I thought I didn't have enough of the spray paint silver showing, so what I decided to do was use my stir stick and maybe just add a little bit, and it wasn't working out to suit me, so then I decided to pour some out of the cup, and it started making dendrites, and that made me really happy. I really like that. And so I tried the spray paint just a little bit here and there on the canvas, break up that blue or that peacock, and it still was not to my satisfaction. So I just decided to use my stir stick and try to bring up some of the paints under it to break it up a little bit, and then see how this will dry. Also, I was not happy about all those white speckles that was coming through from my full acrylic white. So that's the reason why I wanted to add some more of the silver spray paint on top by pouring it out. And I'm going to fix that one upper left hand corner as well. Just does not look right with everything else. So I call this a success. I was happily surprised with the dendrites, so that gives me ideas for other paintings. But overall, I'm not really crazy about this one, but it might make a really good background for something else. Or maybe I can add something else to it to enhance it a little bit and get it to where I really like it. So I'd really like to hear what y'all think about it. So if you have any comments, leave them below in the comment section, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And I want to thank you for watching. Please click like and share, subscribe, ring the bell, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade.